In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from using your Spotify account. So what we want to do is to go to Spotify's website on a web browser on your PC. So that's spotify.com. And then we want to log into this website. And once you're logged in, you must change your password. So you fill this up and then click on set new password. After you have changed your password, you go to account overview and you want to sign out everywhere. So what this does is that it signs out your account from all the devices that you are logged in. And since you have changed your password, that device will no longer be able to use your old password to log into your account. And that is how you stop someone from using your Spotify account. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.